we're out here today in the town of Riverhead in Long Island, New York, where we're getting as a team to do a wonderful playground build here in partnership with Kaboom and Related Affordable Foundation and property River Pointe Apartments that has been in the family of Related for a very long time.
River Pointe has tons of school-age children. There are 135 apartments here. We have roughly 150 school-age kids. So these playgrounds are going to get a tremendous amount of use, and I've had the pleasure of meeting some of the children in the community, and they are so excited for their new playgrounds.
Each playground is going to cater to kids of different ages. So we're building one playground for children ages 2 to 5 and a second playground for children ages 5 to 12.
Over the last 2 years, we've been undertaking a $12 million renovation here at this 135 unit property, and it's culminating now in this wonderful playground build that we get to do in partnership with Kaboom.
The foundation first partnered with Kaboom in 2021. Since then, we've collaborated on 5 playground builds, including our playground here at River Pointe, which is our 6th build with Kaboom.
Kaboom's mission is to end play space inequity for good. And we have a system that we use in our office to determine where playgrounds are needed versus where they can just afford them.
Kaboom has been an ideal partner because there's so much alignment and shared value. Both organizations are committed to serving underserved communities.
Over 3 days, we'll have upwards of 200 volunteers here. Some come directly from the community. And even during our design day, the kids and the adults from this community were able to choose pieces that they wanted to go into their playground, into their play spaces, and even around their community garden.
It was important to have the residents participate in the design projects because this project was always about the residents. So their input and design was important to make sure that it reflects the needs and wants of the property.
I have 2 children. One is 8 years old, one is 2 years old. And the 2 new playgrounds will give us more opportunity to be outside and play and run around and play tag.
When you see things like this happen, it's such a beautiful experience. It's an experience of unity. And it's also an example to show other towns and other places what happens when we come together. Why? Because together we rise.
It's creating a great place for the residents to live, play, for the children here, making the River Pointe Apartments a vibrant part of the community of Riverhead.
These 2 playgrounds are really meant to give the families and children here a safe place to play, a place for quality time, a place to engage in the outdoors, and an opportunity to build lifelong memories together here at home.